Hello everybody, this is inside of car, and normally cabin AC filter is located opposite side of the steering. If steering is on the left hand side, it's located here in right hand side. This is the glove box, so we are going to remove this, and inside this we will find out cabin AC filter, and we will clean it. We will open the screws over here. You can see filter is there. Finally I have taken it. Let's see how it is. It's okay, not very bad. I thought it's very bad, but not much. See, you can see some dust came. This is the filter that I took from my car. The light was insufficient to show you down, so I'm coming here to clean it and try it. If it really works, let me try. So here I'm going to clean it. First I'm going to use spray of water so that the small dust which are with the filter will go down, and then after I will be soaking with detergent for 15-20 minutes. You can see some dust is coming. You can see the quality of water is not good. I will soak with the detergent powder for some time. So now I will fill with the water. So main motto here is to settle down the dirt particles. I will gently wash only. I will soak here, so I'll keep it for some time. Now we will see how it is after soaking 20-25 minutes. Still looks same. We will see. You can see it's almost black, the quality of water. So we will clean with the spray of water. It's dried for whole night. It's almost 12 hours we kept here. So it's dry, then I'm going to fix it now. This word I'm going to fit it back at the corner. You can see one small hole, particle. You can see it's very hard to push. I finally managed to push it. Let me push it to the end. Finally it's done. Now filled with the cap also. The cap is also closed. Let's try with the AC. It's blowing, so I can find that this is the side of the I fit in proper way. So it's blowing cold air. Maybe it's because cold temperature in basement compared to ground floor. Thank you.